Diamonds! It's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. If you're a newbie here today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please do me a favor and tap that like button, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, show your girl some love, become a part of the Diamond Squad. Diamonds, today it's our anniversary. Whose anniversary, you ask? Oh, 528 of these babies up here. They are finally 6 months old. I have made it. And diamonds, look at them. Look how my hair has transitioned from what it very first was, those first few months. I absolutely adore my hair to death. Every day it amazes me. Every day it changes something different. I put the mirror in front of me so I can kind of play in it for you so you can see this texture that it has. I'm kind of sad. My lock consultant said that it's definitely going to start changing really soon. I have a lot of little buds coming up on the ends. It's starting to kind of get entangled and like coiling. Look at this one right here, if y'all can see that. They're starting to do that in different places. The back is like really tight, but I do still have some permed edges that either I've been pulling hard on them and they just kind of slide out the lock, or if there's a stubborn one, I'll go in the bathroom and I'll cut it. But I'm very careful not to actually cut what's starting to lock, if that makes sense. So a little backstory on this. I got my sister locks done over January 3rd and January 4th of 2020. Let's see, it took about 19 hours. 520 plus locks, and I did I'm here in Minneapolis. I got it done in the Minneapolis area. Let's see, my consultant has been A1 this whole time, because if you watch my first video about sister locks, it was really hard for me to get a consultant. I'm so happy that I was pushed or led or followed the path to meet Christine, because it has been an amazing journey with her. She's answered all my questions. She's keeping these locks contained. I think we didn't really talk about it, but I think I'm doing the 4-point rotation because it was like really poofy and she's trying to contain some of that. So yeah, I absolutely adore them diamonds. I'm gonna turn around for you. I got a retie yesterday, so that's why it looks really fresh. My hair has been growing like crazy over the last month or two. I've been taking I'll probably say like 6 weeks. I've been taking biotin just because my nails, I wash my hands at work often, and no bueno for the nails. It makes them really soft, so to kind of help with that or combat that, I've been taking biotin. It's helped my nails quite a bit, and I think I'd have to also contribute it to my hair growing like a weave, which I don't mind at all. But we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna insert some pictures. I don't know if I've done it already or I'm gonna start to do it now, but I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys can see like what it looked like in January, what it looked like in February, April, May. You know the jam. Diamonds, I'm so happy that we are here. I absolutely love it. This one I have broke a few times. Baby, I'm still braiding and banding. I'm still experiencing a little bit of breakage, more so when I wash my hair. It's all straight ends, and me and Christine talked about that I can go ahead and start taking off some of these ends. I know it's really hard for you to see, but I can start maybe cutting those off. Like when I tell you this was the best idea I came up with for my hair. This is it. Like, I'll never go back to being a loose natural ever again. Like, sister locks are going to be all in all for me. I love the volume. I love the texture. I'm loving the ease, the simplicity of my life. Christine has named her company, she's my loctician, Freedom in Beauty. And I have her t-shirt on right here for you guys to check out. Follow her on Instagram. It is Freedom in Beauty. Yes, this is it. This is it. This is freedom for me. Wash and go. I mean, quick little, as you can see, the quick on the side. It's a whole hairstyle. Even if I was to take this out, shake it out, bam, throw some earrings on, a little mascara, maybe some lipstick, I'm good to go. Like, there's no more frying and dyeing of this hair ever, ever, ever again. And I really, 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 really appreciate myself for doing that. For just finally just saying, go. Let's get her done. So what I've been experiencing over the last 6 months, I've had some breakage. I've actually broken one lock. I believe it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. And how I did it was I was braiding my hair. And it was kind of tight, and I noticed at work it was kind of tight. And when I got home later that day, I took it down, and I noticed that it was like hanging by a thread. But she crochets it to kind of make it whole again. There's a little bud on the end. I like feeling those little buds. Sometimes I want to pull them, but I know I shouldn't. And then there's one up in here. I think I left it out of the braid. Like, this one unravels each and every time. I believe since about month 2, this has been coming down. This is the only lock that does it. I don't know. I twist it to another lock when I braid and band. Doesn't work at all. Like, even now it feels really, really loose. Like, it's coming loose at the end already. And it's only been, I got my retie yesterday. So a few issues, but nothing major. My scalp is starting to change. If you guys don't know, I am a hygienist, a dental hygienist. And with COVID, all of our PPEs have changed. We literally looks like we have a hazmat suit on. And it gets hot. I keep my hair covered because I don't want the aerosols to get in my hair. I don't want to have to wash my hair every day, which is not good for your locks anyway, especially when they're starting to lock. So I keep my hair covered. Now, mind you, I'm a hot person. I've always been a little lava pit. So I'm hot. I got all this stuff on. I'm sweating. I'm hovered over someone. So my scalp has just been like on fire lately. Not in a burning sense, but in like, it's very flaky. It's not really itchy, but it's definitely really, really flaky. I've been playing around with things that Naloxone at this moment is not working. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Christine did suggest some things that I could use. I'm not going to show it because I don't want people to purchase it and use it on their locks and mess them up. Consult your consultant and she'll let you know what, things, if you should need any, that you should use in your hair. But she gave me these things. She told him I could use it maybe once, maybe about 1 time a week, just to help to see if that will alleviate some of the problems that I'm having. I think I'm going to switch up my wash schedule, maybe Mondays and Fridays, because, well, maybe... yeah, I'm gonna work on that schedule. Monday, I don't like Mondays and Fridays. It's too close together. And plus I haven't really, well, yeah, I don't know. I'll work on it. But yeah, maybe washing it 2 days a week, because I have to control that, the flakiness. I don't want the flakes to get incorporated into my locks. But one thing that I will share with you, what I do is I'm sitting on the side of the bed, I'm watching TV, I'll put a black shirt on and I'll just kind of ruffle my hair just to get all of that loose dandruff out so it doesn't sit in my hair and get caught in my locks, because I do not want that to happen at all. And I even now, like, I washed my hair right before I went to go see her, and I have dandruff already. It's just kind of falling on my shoulders. It's more irritating than anything. I don't know. I've been using Sea Breeze. Rose water hasn't really helped anymore. I can't remember what that serum is called, but it's a part of the Nioxin treatment. That's really not working anymore. Although I did put it on this side, and I see a few flakes, but not much. Look at that highlight, y'all. So yeah, my grays are like coming through. I can't wait for them to completely lock. I'm ready to get to that next stage, but I'm enjoying this juvenile / teenage stage that they are going through. All in all, would I do it again? I wish I had done it sooner. Like, I literally should be in like year 10, year 15 with these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? I just can't stress enough how much I absolutely adore my SISTERLOCKS. So diamonds, that is it. If you have any concerns, comments, questions, go ahead and put them down in that description box and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you are in the Minneapolis, North Dakota, South Dakota, Wisconsin area, go and look my girl Christine up. Go and look my girl up so you can get started on this journey. I guarantee you, you will not regret it. She is the bomb. She takes care of her clients. She loves our hair just as much as we do. Diamonds, that's all I have for you. Please stay safe, take care of others and yourself, and until next time.